Hello parents. I've seen parents oftenly using term no for their children. Don't do that, don't touch that, don't you're not allowed to do that. So instead of saying no, because no negation, no command is giving a negative command to your child. So it will lower their self-esteem. They will not gain their confidence in making any decision. They will have no say in their decision, so they will don't have a strong bond with the parent, and they will not calm their mind. And also they will not able to solve their problems. They think that their problem solving skills are low. So how to deal with the situation when the child is restless and they want to do the particular thing, and also calming them at the same time. For the healthy relation, first of all, use the yes sandwich. Yes, in between two yes, put your no command in between, and they will not overhear the no command. How to do that? If they want to eat an ice cream before meal, tell them, okay, you want to eat ice cream, even I want to eat my favorite ice cream, but let's finish off our meal first, and then we both will enjoy our ice cream. Another example, you want to go for a park, okay, even I want to go for a walk in the evening, so we will both go for a walk to the park, but let's finish our work before that. So if we give them yes command and then no command and again an affirm yes command, this will let they will think that yes, mama is giving a positive command. That means she agrees with me. She agrees to me that we are going to do that, but I have to do that, which which is wrong, which is unhealthy for me, which is not appropriate, the right choice for me right now. So the child will ignore no command, but instead more focus on doing yes commands. So this will, how the child will help in this? First of all, good self esteem, a higher self esteem, a good problem solving skills. The child will learn more problem solving skills. The child will be more confident in making decisions, and he will have a strong bond with the parent and child. So using the yes no yes command or sandwich, we are imbibing good things, and we are getting a healthy work to be done from a child, and also calming them at the same time. So try this will definitely work for you.